Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with PocketGuard credit card spending tracking step by step clearly. Open the PocketGuard app on your device. If you haven't already, create an account by entering your email and setting a password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Tracking in the main menu. Tap on Add Account to start linking your credit card. Select your bank from the list of financial institutions. Enter your online banking credentials to securely connect your account. Follow the prompts to verify your identity if required. Once connected, you'll see your credit card transactions imported into PocketGuard. Explore the categories to see how your spending is allocated. To set up spending limits, go to the Goals section in the app. Choose the category you want to set a limit for. Input your desired spending limit for that category. Save your changes to ensure your goals are updated. Use the Insights tab to review your spending patterns over time. Monitor your notifications for any spending alerts that PocketGuard provides. Keep your app updated to ensure you have the latest features and security enhancements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.